Afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 Civic Education Past Question. Question number 36 says, working together towards achieving a common goal is dash. Working together, that is when group of persons person work together to attain specific good. Very good. Is called dash, and that is the definition of what we call cooperation, because cooperation is the process by which people or persons from different background come together and nest their efforts in order to work towards achieving a particular goal or set goals. That is the meaning of cooperation. So this defined what cooperation is. Then option B, honesty. Honesty simply means being truthful. Being truthful, that's it, telling truth. The integrity simply means personal or self-esteem, having self-respect. Then justice has to do with lawsuits. Then sincerity has to do with purity of the mind. So the option that actually defined working together towards attaining a common good is called cooperation. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.